वेलकम बैक प्लेसमेंट प्रिपरेशन में आपका फिर से स्वागत है। हम लोग डिस्कस कर रहे हैं डीएसए के इंपॉर्टेंट टेक्निकल क्वेश्चंस। ये है वीडियो पार्ट 3। चलिए मूव करते हैं क्वेश्चन की तरफ। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है आपका रिकर्सन प्लस कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी का। हमको बताना है टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी इसका क्या होगा। यहाँ पे हमारे पास इफ कंडीशन लगी हुई है, इफ एन लेस देन इक्वल टू 1 रिटर्न करता है, और इफ यहाँ फॉर लूप लगा हुआ है, और इंट आई इक्वल टू 0 आई लेस देन एन तक है। यानी कि हमको ओवरऑल इसकी कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी बतानी है, टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी कितनी होगी। नाउ करेक्ट ऑप्शन हेयर इज ऑप्शन नंबर ए, बिग ऑफ लॉग, बिग ऑफ एंड लॉग एन। अगर हम लोग रिकरेंस की रिकरेंस से सॉल्व करेंगे तो बेसिकली हमारा होगा आंसर टी एन इक्वल टू 2t एन डिवाइडेड बाय 2 प्लस बिग ऑफ एन। और अगर हम मास्टर थ्योरम की बात करें तो हमको ये देगा टी एन इक्वल टू big of and log n. So the correct option here is n log n. Why other option is not correct? Option number B, C or D. When we talk about option number B, it's wrong because it is not a quadrit. और ऑप्शन नंबर सी की बात करें बिकॉज लॉग फैक्टर इज मिसिंग हेयर, दैट्स व्हाई ऑप्शन सी इज नॉट करेक्ट। नाउ ऑप्शन नंबर डी इज wrong here because it is exact a log, that's why option number A is only correct here on big of and log n. Now move to the next question. Which traversal sequence is unique for identifying a BST structure? For BST structure, it give the correct answer is option number D, pre-order plus in order, because in order of BST is always assorted, not unique, and it need two traversal, pre or in, or post or in. It uniquely reconstructed. So the correct option here, option number D, pre-order plus in order, is the traversal sequence is unique for identifying a BST structure. Now move to the next question. Why does Dijkstra algorithm fail when the negative edge? So the correct option here, because negative edge can later give us shortest path. So the correct option here is it assume once a node is visited, it is sorted path is final. So the correct option here, option number B. Now move to the next question. For Rabin-Krabs algorithm, RK algorithm, the average case complexity is, the correct option here is big of m plus n, because hashing mapping linear average, the worst case is big of n m. So the correct option here is option number B, big of m and n. It is also a sort of algorithm of pattern matching, because m is used for reprocessing and n is used for string matching. So the correct option here is option number B. Now move to the next question. What is the maximum number of node at a height h in a binary heap? So the correct option here is 2 की power h, because h is the height and it is the maximum node of at a height h in a binary heap. So correct option is option number A, because complete binary tree is property. So the correct option is option number A only here. Now move to the next question. Given a linked list with the end node, what is the worst case complexity of checking if it's a palindrome? So the correct option here is big of n, because it reverse half list plus compare, it give linear. So the correct option here, option number A. Now for coin denominator 1 3 4, what is the minimum number of coin for sum 6? So for minimum number of coins, it gives two answer. Option number A is the correct one, because solution, when we talk about solution, 3 comma 3 or 4 comma 1 comma 1, but 2 is minimal here. So we require minimum number of coins. Question is asked, what is the minimum number of coins for sum 6? Minimum number is 2. We required minimal 2 coins here, 2 number of coins here. So option number A is the correct one. Now move to the next question. Trigonometric number of complete graph with n vertex is, the correct option here is n, because each vertex need different color. Option number B is the correct one. Now move to the next question. Rotating an array of size n by n position result in, it gives same array, because rotation by full length bring back original one. So the correct option here is A, because हम लोग अगर एक बार रोटेट करेंगे, ये ओवरऑल अगर हम लोग रोटेट कर रहे हैं तो फिर से हम लोग अपनी पुरानी पोजीशन पे पहुंच जाएंगे. तो इट मींस दैट इट गिव अ सेम array. ऑप्शन नंबर A is the correct one. Now which data structure is best for implementing a POTQ? So the correct option here is heap, option number C, because it providing a big of log and insertion slash deletion. So heap is a data structure is used for implementing a POTQ. Now, which is always true for Kruskal algorithm? When we talk about Kruskal algorithm sorted age and picks smallest without a cycle. So the correct option here, option number C, it pick ages in increasing weighted order. Now, minimum height of binary tree with n node. Minimum height of binary tree, when we talk about minimum height of binary tree with an n node, it give log to n. So the correct option here is the perfectly balanced tree. That's why option number A is the correct one. What is the complexity of longest increasing subsequence using a DP plus binary search? It gives big of n log n because it's the standard optimizations. That's why option number C is the correct one. Which traversal is used in topological sorting? When we talk about topological sorting, it can be done with a BFS in degree method or a DFS stack. So the correct option here is both A and B, A BFS and Khan algorithms, or DFS that is used stack. Now, load factor equal to 0.75. It means that it defined a load factor of n divided by m. It gives option number B, 75% of slot is filled here. Now, how many comparisons are required in a word case of binary search on an array of size n? So the correct option here is option number B, because each split reduced size comparison equal to the height of recursion tree. That's why option number B is correct here. It gives log 2n plus 1. Which algorithm is used to find bridge and a artificial point in a graph? The correct option here is Tarjan DFS, because Tarjan algorithm use DFS with a discovery and slow and low time. What is the lower bound of comparison based in sorting? Comparison based sorting. The correct option here, it is used in discussion tree proof. So the correct option for time complexity or a lower bound, it's give big of n log n. Option number B is the correct one. Now, what is the infix form of postfix expression AB plus CD minus O asterisk? It gives A plus B or C minus D multiplication of both this one. The correct option here is postfix is equal to left to right evaluation. Postfix means left to right evaluation. So the correct option here is option number A. Now, what is the balance factor range in AVL tree? When we talk about balance factor, it gives -1, 0, or 1. Outer range, or we can say outside range, it's a rebalancing method or rebalancing needed. The correct option here is -1, 0, or 1 is a balance factor range in AVL tree. What is the time complexity of Faraday-Warshaw algorithm? So the correct option here is big of n cube, because it's a triple nested loop used in Faraday-Warshaw algorithm. That's why option number B is the correct one. Now, what is the word case space complexity of price storing k string of average length L? So the correct option here is big of k multiplied by L, because each string may store all the character separately. So the correct option here is option number C. Now, which operation is most optimized by a path comparison? For path comparison is a flattened tree. So the correct option here is option number B. Find operation is most optimized by a path comparison. Now, question number 24. Bipartite graph checking can be done using. So it use both BFS coloring or DFS coloring. It means option number C is the correct one, because other traversal work by coloring node alternative. So the correct option is both BFS coloring or DFS coloring. Now, complexity puzzle. We have two loop here, outer loop or inner loop. So outer loop run n time or inner loop run I time. So overall total work we get log 1 plus log 2 plus it goes with log n. So overall total work we have get here big of n log n here. So option number A is the correct one here. Now move to the next question. So there is a no next question. So thank you everyone. मिलते हैं पार्ट 4 में, जहां पे हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे more difficult question that is asked in multiple companies like Capgemini, Cognizant, HCL, Deloitte, Zoho. Thank you everyone. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.